Hey folks, JD here, and we're back out with the F11 for another test. So today what we're going to try is we're going to try active track and follow me. So two different types of following. Follow me is where it will follow you, active track is where it will track your location around you. So let's try follow me. So if I just slide to confirm follow me, and let's see exactly what we've got. Now the quad did auto position itself. I'm hoping that it will. Oh, it's following me. It's following me. That's a big... It's gone past me. Whoa, hang on, where are you going? You crazy thing. Well, it was following me, and then it decided that it didn't want to follow me. I don't blame you, to be honest, mate. I'm not exactly great looking. And then it just shot past me. What the hell? Let's try follow me again. Okay, what are you doing? What have you hooked onto? Right, no, it's doing that whole circular thing again. I'm gonna stop that because we all know how that goes. Okay, so all the SJRC quads I've flown up to this point have all done the same. Great big bowl around me, that was going in the same way. At least it did start off promising, but then it just kind of failed. So let's try active track. So this is where you click the active track button. Sorry, let me record my screen so you can see a little bit better rather than me just holding up my phone. And then with active track, you've got to keep 3 to 10 meters moving slowly at the same speed. So I've got to put a box around myself, and then this is where it should track my location. And it is. I'm moving very slowly, and it's just going around in circles. Now it's totally lost me. What the hell are you doing? There we go, I'm here. No, what are you doing? Lost. Okay, so it was lost, yes, but it just kind of flew around in circles. That's a little bit crazy. Let's try again. So again, let's draw the box around me, the whole of me this time, and then let's walk around really slowly. Now I've never been, apart from DJI, I've never been successful with this. That active track box is getting smaller and smaller, but I'm staying the same distance away from this quad. Now active track does work. See? I'm having to move so ridiculously slow that if you were to ever use this as, you know, on your bike as a quadcopter to follow your mountain bike or something like that, which I don't recommend, but obviously that is what a lot of people use follow me for, or active track, then I would say this is a definite no, because you need to maintain the same speed. Let me try again. So let's see how far we go. So if I walk backwards, is it just going to follow me in a circle, or is it going to... Yeah, it's just going to follow me in a circle. So at least it'll track me. So if I come over to here, then you can see it's moving, it's tracking me. It's tracking my location, it knows where I am and it's tracking me. That's great. But obviously with active track it does keep itself in one location, it just spins around tracking its person. But this, the camera seems to be a little bit crazy, whether it's a firmware bug, because I've drawn a little box around me, but this box keeps on growing and keeps on shrinking as well, which is really quite disconcerting. Because there we are, now the box has stayed exactly in one place, which again is quite strange. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop active track. I'm going to once again draw a box around me. Let me get a little bit closer. It says 3 to 10 meters. There we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a box around me. There we go, a big box this time. And I'm just going to walk around ever so slowly. And you should find, there we go, that it follows. There we go, it's following really nicely within... Oh, it's altered altitude a bit, so I'm going to alter that camera a little bit so that I can actually still fit in the frame. No, now it's lost me totally, the box is all over the place. So I'm going to get back in frame. Let's try this again. So click, move, active track. There are so many other quads on the market which this just works first time. But obviously, not being a premium range quad, this is going to be your issue. So they're trying to bundle premium rates or premium grade functions in with a non-premium quad, and it's a little bit hit and miss, very much hit and miss. But there we go, that's following me, but I'm having to stay ridiculously slow, walk 3 steps and then stop. And if I go back the other way, so I can walk 3 steps and then stop, and eventually the quad will move around to my location. Alright then my friends, well I tell you what, I think we've seen as much as we're going to see there from follow me and active track. It hasn't been terrible, but it hasn't been great. Follow me, it just didn't work flat out, but I stayed within the recommendations of the app, of the manufacturer. And likewise active track does work, but it's a little bit flaky. You've got to walk so ridiculously slow. I can't see it ever being used to record a football match and to follow or to track one particular player, because it's just going to be so flaky, it's going to disconnect all the time. Right, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.